Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my nails with this polygel kit that I got from Amazon, and I love it. I will be getting more colors, but I love it. So when you open the box, it just comes with your instructions on how to apply it, how long you cure it. So these are the tubes right here, and they give you quite a bit because I did notice a little bit does go a long way. And I love these colors. I love it. That is the top coat that you will use, and I love the top coat. The best one I've had so far. This is the clear polygel, the white polygel, the light pink polygel, and last but not least, the dark pink. And it comes with a file. This is a good file. I did love this file. This is another file. The other side was smooth. I'm not quite sure what you use that side for. Zamir, shh. I'm sorry, y'all. This is my son. It's impossible to get a voiceover without him making his appearance. And that's just the spatula and the brush on one end. And these are the dual forms right here. These are pretty good dual forms. I did like these for the most part. And then that was the base coat that I just showed. So right now, I'm just putting on the base coat right now. I did speed this clip up though. Come on, I want to jump. And then I cure it for 60 seconds. And then now it's time to apply. I'm not doing this over. It's time to apply your polygel. And I just did one hand on camera to save time. So definitely a little bit goes a long way. So you just want to dip your brush in the alcohol. And I noticed if you just pat it down, if you glide, it doesn't really work well if you glide it. So I noticed when you pat, it works so much better when you just tap, tap, pat, pat. And I also notice too, like when your brush gets dry, like the brush wants to pick the polygel up, like it gets a little tacky. So you just dip it back into the alcohol. Wipe your brush off first before you dip it back in the alcohol. And you just want to shape it to your liking. I definitely wasn't going for this long, but it's okay. They came out cute though. And I wanted to leave I wanted to leave this clip in real time. And then I think the rest is going to be fast. And now shall nothing go to waste. So I scooped that right up and put it right back in that nail. Put it right back on in there, right back.